Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. What go on, my people? Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But to know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just going to jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we have incarcerated dancehall artist Ninja Man right here, you see me? And Ninja Man write a letter basically to Andrew Holness and the leaders of Jamaica, you see me I say? And basically Ninja Man point out numerous of things where them for implement in the prison system and them for build an infrastructure where when time the prisoner them left out of prison, them have something to look towards, so them have a skill or something where them can go in. You see me I say, implement them thing they for them that are basically Ninja Man I say. You see me I say, and really and truly people, me have the audio. I really want to listen all of it, all of the letter where Ninja Man write to the Prime Minister and the leaders of Jamaica, because people believe me, it is very interested, and Ninja Man point out a whole heap of things, people. You see me I say, him Evo State say, him would have want them visit the prison, you see me, and come see the situation for themself first, and you see me I say, and really and truly enough people would have look on Ninja Man due to how he portray himself as an artist, you see me I say, and say at the end of the day, Ninja Man them a done said and rating, and big woman thing, it really take a man with knowledge and experience and wisdom for really write something like this, because and any little body can come up with them kind of thinking. You see me I say people. So I really want to check it out because it is very interesting. So want to just listen to the whole audio, just forget the full understanding of what Ninja Man I say, and also drop your thoughts down into the comment section. Man, and make we discuss it, man. Make we talk about these people. Tell me what you really think about all of this when Ninja Man I say, and what you think the Prime Minister should have do about this. As I say, I just hope say in myself say at the end of the day Andrew Holness really listen this audio. As I say, and really meds it. Because people, we all know, it's not like them no know so them thing are going, them just no care, so them ignore it. As I say, but me want him really meds when Ninja Man I say right, so in the letter ya people, and make some efforts towards it. You see me I say, me don't want him just take it like, man, the Ninja Man is just another artist where ever getting a problem, and you understand what I mean? Yes, I really want Andrew Holness meds it, if him get the chance to meds it. You see me I say, I know he must hear because everybody there on social media, it no matter your status. You see me I say, so hear what people, me I gonna make you listen to the audio right now, and as what I said before, drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section, and make we discuss it. You see me I say, so listen it.
Ninja Man's letter to the Jamaican Prime Minister, Security Minister, the opposition leader, and other interested parties. Compiled and narrated by Jojo Mack. I am Desmond Ballentine, popularly known as dancehall artist Ninja Man. I am addressing this letter to you in hopes that you will take into consideration the proposals I am presenting as a citizen of this great island, Jamaica. As you are no doubt aware, I am currently incarcerated in the Jamaican prison system. Being incarcerated has given me first-hand insights into same system. Thus, I would like to take the opportunity to present a proposal to you on behalf of thousands of inmates who are a part of this system and by large, the Jamaican people. I believe being incarcerated should not be a hindrance to me or anyone else in the system contributing to Jamaica in a positive way. Therefore, I would greatly appreciate you giving thought to the following, and that it does not get buried in the recesses of your minds. Firstly, so many of our citizens are in jail for various crimes, but they're not all criminals. While we understand that a prison system must be in place, I do believe that the system, in the interest of all Jamaicans, should find a way to rehabilitate those who are at some point scheduled to return to the general populace. It is imperative that the powers that be see them for who they were before they became the people who got involved in crimes or the situations that placed them in this system. The men and women who are incarcerated should be given some hope that when they return to society, they will have options, or more than likely, a great number of them will return to the very thing that got them locked up in the first place, maybe worse. When a man or woman loses all sense of hope for self-reliance, their mental state is no longer normal. The need for survival is what will prompt them. Therefore, the general populace will no doubt be at risk. If a system is put into place to counteract these potential outcomes, everyone involved will be able to breathe a lot easier. When melancholy sets in, no one knows where the axe will fall. The only thing we can be sure of is that it will. So considering the options that I am proposing to you will ultimately be in the best interest of all the citizens of Jamaica. One element that is missing from the system in Jamaica is an institution to rehabilitate those who have been incarcerated. We cannot deny that no one was born a criminal. All babies were born innocent beings. The system created criminals, whether through their upbringing or the ills of society. It is imperative that we create a system to help the people who are locked up to achieve self-reliance. We have great tradesmen, mechanics, bodywork professionals, carpenters, furniture makers, etc. in institutions across Jamaica who simply wake up in the mornings, take a shower, get fed, play football, and get back into lockup. There are a lot of unused skills that are going to waste. I feel that I, being institutionalized, should be more than just for punishment. I am not here to buy guns or form gangs. I'm here to change the mindset of the youth, and I'm asking the government to assist me with restarting a rehabilitation program that I'm willing to spearhead. I have already spoken with the superintendent and the deputy commissioner of the prison and requested a meeting from both. After that meeting, I would like to request a meeting with the Minister of Security, Minister of Justice, the Chief Justice, and the Prime Minister to be held at the prison institution. I would love if they could visit the institution so they can see firsthand what we are dealing with, so they can find ways and means to deal with the problems at hand. A huge percentage of the people inside these prison walls came in at an early age. Their best years are spent there. Their chances of making something good of themselves are tarnished. The burden of the prison institution should not be placed on the citizens of Jamaica. We must find a way for the institution to maintain itself. Computer classes, technician classes, mechanical, among other things, should be implemented. There are furniture makers who could make furniture. The furniture could be put on the auction block by having a yearly auction. A system could be set up where the general public can have their vehicles repaired, painted, accessorized, etc. at a cost lower than what is being offered on the outside. The prisoners involved in these work programs could benefit from a percentage of the proceeds. The greater percentage goes into an account for the institution that could be used for repairing the buildings, among other things. If the prisoner has a child, a portion of that could go to that child, and a small percentage goes in an account for that prisoner. So when he leaves the institution, he will have something to give him a new start, thus reducing the risk of him going back into society penniless and resorting to crimes in order to survive. Jamaican people are very ambitious. If a man spent 10, 15 years in prison, when he returns to the general population, he will see his peers who are well advanced with homes and vehicles and income while he has to start from scratch. If he gets a chance to improve on his skills while institutionalized and be able to have funds set aside for him for the work he did, it will give him an opportunity to move forward without having to commit another crime. Hence, the importance of rehabilitation should be foremost in our minds in order to reduce crime in the country and empower its citizens. The framework of the institution needs a reset. I will fight with every ounce of my bone, my blood, my life, my skin, my flesh, and my knowledge until we have an institution where, when youths are released, we can see them being rewarded for being the person they have become and not the person they used to be. I want to ask the Jamaican Human Rights Organization, what are you doing? There are some older inmates at General Penitentiary. A greater percentage of them are so old and they're sick and shaking, needing medical attention. They can no longer be a menace to society. They should be released from prison. Some have spent 30 or 40 years locked up and need medical attention. The General Penitentiary is overpopulated. 6 feet by 4 feet wide cells are housing 3 to 5 men at any one time. Send home these older men to their families. They're not physically or mentally capable of resorting to any kind of crime. The Human Rights Organization will need to step up to the plate and do their jobs effectively for the amelioration of the country in general. I am making this proposal, which will be set forth in a more professional manner for the people of Jamaica and not for any rewards. I do not expect to be praised. That's not my intent. I simply want to see Jamaica become a better place where its citizens can feel safe. In everything that we do, we can expect hiccups, but we must must implement a program that will serve for the greater good. They say nothing beats a trial but a failure, but they also have another saying that if you try and fail, you should try again. We can impress upon the youth the importance of being a good citizen. In the 1980s election, which was a bloody one, I was on the front of a battlefield. Shabba Ranks and I became friends. There was a war going on between Tower Hill and Mall Road. Mall Road people did not like Shabba Ranks, as well as Tower Hill people did not like Ninja Man. I did not just do the song Living on Free Food Ticket. I called a peace meeting between the two factors. I put on a peace dance at Seaward All-Age School the first time Kilimanjaro played at that venue. It was a life and death dance because a lot of people were afraid. But when the dance ended, there was full-fledged peace. We can build back a peaceful Jamaica. It's possible. I have been a man of peace all my life. People may want to call me a criminal, but I'm the first to say peace and the last to say war. I am the first to want to build my country and the last to break it down. The earthquake we got recently was a cry from Mother Earth that she's displeased with the way we are operating. We need to get back to putting God on the forefront because we are not living right. Father God has gone to prepare a place for us and leave Mother Earth to take care of us, and we are disrespecting her every chance we get. Forget about climate change. It's the earth crying out to us, and we better take heed. It would be wise to initiate this effort by ceasing to disrespect the women of our society. A man is as weak as a branch of a dry tree, but that same man could be strengthened by a woman who is the root of that tree. So taking care of our women is paramount. I pray that everyone addressed in this letter will take its contents into consideration and move toward making that difference. I promise to elaborate more on these topics once my requests are honored. Thank you. I am Desmond Ballentine, Ninja Man.
Yes, so basically people, I don't tell no lie, I have to big up Ninja Man Panda one, you see me I say, because this is really a great letter, you see me I say, because the thing them when Ninja Man point out in this letter, yeah, believe me, it can work, you see me I say, and at the end of the day, all is not lost, you see me I say, Ninja Man Evo point out, say, yo, there is a whole heap of prisoner where spend all 30, 40 years, etc. in a prison. You see me I say, yeah, and basically them all know. You see me I say, them can't do nothing for really society right now. You see me I say, and him evil state say, even in a one cell, you have all 5 man and so forth. So I say, at the end of the day, let out them man they can't do nothing. You see me I say, yeah, and basically also implement some more and better program for the youth them. You see me I say, we really want to take in, because me I don't know any people. There's a lot of people, a lot of youth in a prison right now where you don't know them really would take the help and really would appreciate the help. You see me I say, while some of them no want no help none at all, their mindset just gone one way and I just saw it I go stay till them dead. But at the end of the day you can't punish the good for them bad day. You see me I say, so you still have to implement it and just hope enough people really take it in and really make meaningful use of it. You see me I say, so I'm not telling a lie, I really applaud this letter from Ninja Man, and as what I said before, I just hope Andrew Holness really just rems the letter here. You see me I say, big woman thing, me just would want him just sit down and meds it. You see me I say, yeah, cause at the end of the day basically, yeah, a Fox Ninja Man attack people and we can't deny it. You see me I say, but at the end of the day that is it from me right now. And I just want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section and make we discuss it people. Share on a thought, share on an opinion. You see me I say, yeah, because I really want to hear them. I really appreciate them people. And I thank you all for everything that you all have done for me. Thank you for also always viewing my videos and giving me the thumbs up to see them way. You see me I say, but also for all who don't really subscribe yet, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You see me I say, also give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But to know how we do the thing over here already. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.